In this video I'm going to show you how to see TikTok private accounts. Now what you want to do is you want to open up the TikTok app. Once you have opened the TikTok app, you need to find that account that has a private turned on. Basically what you want to do is first you want to give them a follow. So let's say this user is private right over here. You first need to give them a follow, and potentially they follow you back, you will be able to see their videos. But if they don't follow you back, there's nothing you can do that will actually make your profile to be able to see their videos. I mean, of course, if you know that person, you can take their phone and just search and see the videos that way, or potentially if some other people have them followed, so you can use that profile. But other than that, there's just no way. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe.